Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Call of Duty mobile game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bluestacks.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official BlueStacks website. Now from the home page, just click on the download button and this will begin the download of the BlueStacks installer. Once the installer is downloaded, you can scroll through the next buttons and this will install the BlueStacks emulator on your system. Once the emulator has been installed, you can simply open it up and you will gain access into your Android home screen. Now from your Android home screen, tap on System Apps and then tap on Play Store, and now you will need to log in to your Google account in order to download the Play Store applications. So just sign in to any of your Google account using your credentials, and once you are logged in, you can tap on the search box to begin searching for your game. Just type in Call of Duty and begin your search. Now once you find the Call of Duty game, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on install and this will begin the download and installation of the Call of Duty game on your PC. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the play button, you can tap on it to open up the game and directly start enjoying it. And once the game is opened up, you can proceed with logging into your account or signing up to enjoy the game directly from your PC. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Call of Duty game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.